size sheet and I'm gonna just fold it into half. Now I'm again gonna take a yellow A4 size sheet and I've trimmed it from the sides to make the cake pop up. Now what we have to do is we will take a pencil and a scale. So this way I have taken it, and now I'm gonna just keep the scale here. So guys, now I'm gonna keep it here and mark 4 centimeters, and from this side also I will mark 4 centimeters. So this way we mark 4 centimeter. Now here I'll draw a line again of 4 centimeter like this here. Here also I will draw a line of 4 centimeters. Now here I will mark 2 centimeters and draw a line. Here also I will mark 2 centimeters and draw a line. Now what you have to do is, from here we will take 3 centimeters and draw a line. From here also we will take 3 and draw a line. Now from here I'm going to mark 1.5 centimeters, which is coming till here, and just sketch a line, and 6.5 also we will mark like this. Now I'm going to make a line of 2 centimeters from here, 2 centimeters here and 2 centimeters here. After doing this, we are gonna mark 1 centimeter, 3.5, so we'll mark 1 here and 10. Just draw like this. So this way our cake is ready. Now we have to cut it like this. Firstly we will cut this part like this here. From here also we will cut it like this, and now I'm gonna just, with the help of a scale, I will just score this part like this. I would not suggest you to take a hard paper. Here I've drawn some lines. Now we are gonna just press this part in to make a cake. It will pop up like this. Now again what we have to do is, we will hold the paper like this. Don't cut this side, just cut this side like this. From here also cut this much part. So once you've cut it, now leave this part behind and just score it like this, and when we will open it, push this part also inside like this. It will be like this. Now for the second part also, cut it like this, and now we will again score this part like this. Do the above these layers. So guys, like this we've made up the pop-up cake. So from back it will be like this, and when you open it, it will be like this. So now what you have to do is, so in this pattern sheet, I've taken a pattern sheet like this here. I'm gonna mark 10.5, 10 centimeters by 3.5, so this is 10. Now just gonna mark 3.5. We are making this for decorating the cake. So like this you have to cut these. So now I've cut this out, and I'm gonna apply some Fevistick to it. For giving neatness, I'm using Fevistick in this card. So we just gonna apply this here, and like this you have to apply this pattern sheet to all these 4. So guys, like this I have decorated the 4 layers, and now what you have to do is, I have made these 2 lines here. So I'll be doing them with the marker. like this. Now we are gonna fold this into half, and I'm gonna again take my neon pink sheet, and here I'm gonna paste it like this. So here you have to apply Fevi-stick on this, and keep it on the half edge here. And just press this. From this side also stick this. Now what you have to do is, we have to decorate this in a yellow layer with some things, and I'll show you how I decorated it like this. So like this, on this I have stuck these ribbons, and now some gifts. So like this I've stuck the gifts on them, and now I'll draw these ribbon kind of things on them. Like this, so they look very pretty. Now for the inner part, what we have to do is, I'll be taking this A5 size white sheet, and I'm going to just stick it on this. So I've stuck this on this, and now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to be taking these 5 strips of 14 into 1 centimeters, and now we are going to just stick them like this. So like this, we have to stick those 5 strips of 14 into 1 centimeters. Now what you have to do is, I've cut out some hearts which have the coatings of happy birthday. So I've cut these, and now we'll be pasting them. So first comes H here, then A, P. Both the P's are a little small, and the Y was very small because I cut it a bit wrongly. I am doing this right now only, nothing is pre-shooted or something like that. So here I have done it, and now I'm gonna take my pearls here, and we are gonna stick these pearls like this. I think the glue got finished, so I need to stick all of these. So like these, we sticked all of these, and now what we have to do is, with the pen, here I will be writing birthday. And now I made this strip, so just gonna paste this strip like this here. Lol guys, one star just came out in my hands here, so I need to stick it back again. I was just sticking this, so it just came out. Also guys, I got this extra idea while making this card only, that I can even apply some balloons here. So on this lower part, I'm going to just stick these 2 balloons, which I've cut suddenly because it was not pre-planned. I just thought that it would be great if I would apply them. So I'm going to apply it like this. Just goes like this, so card looks very pretty. So if you like this video, then give a big thumbs up and comment down below how's the card, and I'll meet you in my new video. Till then, bye guys, like, subscribe and share.